The Ethereum Name Service has seen quite a ride in its price journey. From its lowest point at $10.35 to its highest peak at $42.22, it's been a roller coaster. But don't let these numbers scare you. This project holds a lot of promise and potential. ENS is not just any altcoin, it's a meaningful and powerful project. It aims to revolutionize the way we interact with the Ethereum blockchain by replacing long and complicated addresses with simple, human-readable names. This makes sending and receiving cryptocurrencies much easier and more user-friendly. If you're thinking about investing, ENS could be a good choice for the midterm and long term. With its significant potential, experts believe it could soar even higher. Some predict it could reach $50 within the next 3 months, and there's even speculation that it could surpass $100 in the future. But remember, investing in cryptocurrencies always comes with risks. Prices can be volatile, and it's essential to do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. However, with its innovative concept and growing popularity, ENS certainly seems like a project worth keeping an eye on. Who knows, it could be the next big thing in the crypto world.